And then they're going to eat me. Oh my God!
Hey everybody, it's Wade here. I have a special guest with me today. She's 4 years old now. This is my daughter Marley. Say hello, Marley.
Hello.
So, today we're talking about cinnamon rolls. Do you like cinnamon rolls?
Yeah?
You do?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? I'm making some. Yummy. This is an easy way to make cinnamon rolls at home. There's a little bit more work to do on these, but the end result is good. So, are you going to try Daddy's cinnamon rolls?
Yeah.
Well, let's get into it, shall we?
Sorry.
Make a funny face. Alright, first things first, get a bowl and put a half cup of warm milk inside. Next, we're going to add some instant dry yeast. This is going to be 2 teaspoons. Alright, get your stand mixer, add the dough hook attachment, and let's get started. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar. You're going to add a half teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add 288 grams of flour. Don't add all of it, just enough to get it started. Okay, put that on the lowest setting and just stir it around a little bit. You just want all that incorporated. Alright, turn off your mixer and you're going to add 1 large egg. Okay, next you're going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Alright, let's add the rest of that flour. And put your mixer back into action. You want to let this mix for about 5 minutes. You'll start seeing the dough take shape. Alright, this is how your dough should look. Should have a good pullback. A little bit wet, but it's got some nice consistency. Go ahead and flour a work surface. And let's pull out our dough. It's going to be real wet, but that's okay. Start tossing it into flour, just a little bit like this. End over end. Try not to get too much flour into it. This is just getting it together. Now form your dough into a ball. Alright, grab a bowl. Spray it down with some cooking spray. You can also use some olive oil and just coat the inside just a little bit. Take your dough ball, throw it in there upside down, coat the top. Kind of spin it around like this and flip it. Alright. Get a damp towel and throw that over top. We'll let that sit for 2 hours or until double in size. Alright, we're going to make this cinnamon filling. So get a half cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Grab your bowl and mix all the ingredients together. Alright, now that that's done, let's get to the cream cheese frosting. Oh yeah. Alright, so you're going to need 1 cup of powdered sugar, a half tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 ounces of cream cheese softened. Lastly, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Get you another bowl and let's start mixing these together. There we go. Honestly, I could just eat that by itself. Alright, let's see what our dough's been up to after 2 hours. Voila! Alright, let's get serious. Put down some flour. And again, take out your dough. I'm going to form it into a nice tight ball and then work off of that. So once you get your ball, just kind of flatten it out like that. Okay, so the best shape for a cinnamon roll is a rectangle. So let's get our rolling pin and try to make the best rectangle we ever saw. All right, look at my rectangle. All right, so let's add our cinnamon filling. You're going to want to spread this out as much as you can in one big layer, just like this. Okay, we got to start rolling this up. It's a cinnamon roll after all. So go ahead and start tucking it over like this, and literally you're just going to roll it up like a big old fat doobie. I mean, well, never mind. Keep it as tight as you can. I tuck the ends in like this to kind of keep it uniform all throughout. Kind of squeeze it, make sure everything looks the same as much as you can. There you go. Get you a circular pan like this, and again, put some cooking spray all around. Okay, we're going to start cutting these off into rolls. Take each one and you're going to lay it down flat just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and do the next one again. Lay it flat just like that. I'm going to do the rest of them. Make sure to leave plenty of space between each one because they will expand into each other. Alright, there we go. And again, we're going to let those sit until they're doubled in size. And they should look just like this. Throw them in the oven at 375 until golden brown. And man, here they are. Look at these babies. But we ain't done yet. It's time for frosting. I think this step is pretty self-explanatory. You just put that frosting everywhere. Once you got all that frosting coated, let it sit for about 5 minutes. And if there was a cinnamon roll that came from heaven, well, it found its way to you. Enjoy. All right, you want to try my cinnamon roll?
Yeah.
All right, eat it.
Okay. Wait, slow down.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Do you like Daddy's cinnamon rolls?